morning. As you are aware, in every block, two schools have been selected for this Atal Trust, and we are fortunate that this school has been selected. And let me stress this point that being the far-off place of our Sakrata, we have been given this responsibility based upon the trust we all had on you and your abilities and capabilities. Because we had many other schools, 34, 35 schools are there, but only a few selected schools are given this opportunity, because we were having a 10 picture of your capability, what kind of staff we have in our school, and whether they will be able to shoulder this responsibility or not. So, this is the beginning of this session, and I will share my own experience with you. We all have done B.Ed, enough. So if you just try to go back to your class of B.Ed and do a mental survey, how many students were from CBSE background in your B.Ed course? Can someone remember and tell me how many of you are having the CBSE background students in your B.Ed class? बोलो, इसको याद हो तो I can narrate my experience only two or three. और बोलते रहो ना सब लोग, ये मार्क्स तो है लेकिन we are allowed to speak, no problem.
सर ये भी पता नहीं था कि CBSE वाले हैं कि नहीं है.
Yes, आप बताइए. No one. Or you are not aware. कोई कौन सा थे उनको?
सर एक्चुअली दैट वाज नॉट द कंसर्न टू नो कि CBSE वाला कौन है कि नहीं है.
नहीं नहीं मैं बताऊँगा. I am coming to that point. So I also done my B.Ed 2005 and 6 here DAV College Roorkee. And to the best of my memory, we had only 3 students who were from English medium CBSE background. Then I gave it a much thought, because I was entering from defense to teaching. And there were not many English medium schools were mushrooming in each and every nook and corner of the city. That was a big rush from the parents to go to those schools. Then I thought there is a serious gap in supply and demand, because that time when I did my B.Ed, only government colleges were there, very few. I think in the entire state, if I remember my form which I filled up, only 5 to 6 government colleges were there in entire Garhwal region, under the Garhwal University. है ना? Only one private B.Ed college was there in that form, वो भी रुड़की में IPSD नाम से. Thereafter, there was a big rush of these private B.Ed colleges after 2005-6, if I remember. Now there must be around 20 or 25 colleges, and some of them and many of them are on the verge of closing, because there was a rush. Recruitments were taking place in government system. Many people were keen to pursue B.Ed somehow. So there were many colleges, हर से B.Ed की डिग्री आपको दे रही थी. So these things happened, but still I don't think we are able to fulfill the demand of all the English medium schools with the English spoken teachers. है ना? Those were from the CBSE background. आप समझ रहे होंगे ना इस बात को? हमारे पेरेंट्स भी इस बात को समझते हैं. Now if I do the survey of all these English medium schools which are being operated in CUNY, you will be surprised. Not many of your own students will be teaching in those schools as a teacher. They are not from CBSE background. है ना? Do the survey. आप सब लोग इंटरेक्ट करते होंगे उनके साथ. Are they much more smarter or much more intelligent or much more what we can say proficient than you? बोलो आप खुद आपके अंदर से ये निकल आना चाहिए, है या नहीं है? You are the best. That is why you are sitting here in front of me today. they are the ones those who are waiting this opportunity. यार हम भी कल को गवर्नमेंट जॉब में जाएंगे. That is the dream each one of those teachers having. समझ पा रहे होंगे ना इस बात को आप? Every private school teacher, including me, when I was a private school teacher, I did around 9 months in a private school, getting the salary of 3,000 rupees per month, and the huge workload was entrusted upon me. तो similarly, आप में से किसी ने है ये एक्सपीरियंस लिया है प्राइवेट स्कूल टीचिंग का? और you are the luckiest person to join your government job soon after your grade or qualification. Okay. Those who have done this thing in private school, they must be knowing what kind of pressure, what kind of work we are facing. So, the objective of this meeting is that we are efficient and intelligent enough to run this system with the expectations of the parents. Now, Ramesh ji had a valid concern. He shared with me that his son was studying in Living Values. It is a Kuwait standard English medium school. Now, his son has taken admission, having the trust upon all of you. We will provide his son the same kind of environment, same kind of teaching, and even better because we are better than the them. That is why I invited him to today's meeting, and I already had this thing to share with you all. Please do not treat this as a burden, treat this as a new beginning of responsibility. When I started my career in teaching, I am from the Hindi medium background. भादरपुर के गाँव से हूँ, 5वीं क्लास. अब तो सर हमारे इलाके में जा रही है, देखेंगे हमारी तो हिंदी भी अच्छी नहीं होती. इनको पता चल जाएगा कि जिला हरिद्वार वालों की हिंदी कैसी है.
सर आपका
ठीक है. तो
कोई नहीं, कुछ नहीं.
उसके बाद थोड़ा सा हमको 12th क्लास तक इंग्लिश कुछ नहीं पता था, क्यों पढ़ते हैं, कैसे पढ़ते हैं, क्या तरीका है. हिंदी मीडियम वाले थे. उसके बाद नेवी में गए, वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा माहौल चेंज. Each and every instruction, each and every order we used to get in English. Our officers, seniors, they all used to speak to us in English. So in order to understand what they are telling, हमको भी थोड़ा उस पर काम करना. I'll give you an interesting example. हम जब बैरक रहते हैं, हम तो 15-20 लोग एक बैरक में रहते हैं, फौजी लोग. तो my neighbor was from Tamil Nadu. तो he was fond of interacting with me. अब वो तमिल बोलेंगे, मैं हिंदी बोलूँगा, बात बनती नहीं थी. He was very efficient in English. So in order to interact with my friend, I started learning English myself. And to tell you the truth, my strategy was only to read as much as possible, which you all have to do. And also you will have to find your students. We can learn English only by reading and listening. And हंसी की बात. चलो वो सब क्लियर हो गया. जी सीरियस ध्यान दीजिए जो मैं कह रहा हूँ. तो आप लोगों के लिए भी यही है. We have to work upon our skills. See, you all are young लोग, जो हमारे एक्सपीरियंस लोग हैं, they don't have much years to serve, only 4 to 5 years maybe. But I can see maximum staff is here who is young and energetic, and it is an opportunity to bring some change in your personality and to bring some change in your outlook in the society. और मैं ये भी नहीं कहूँगा कि you run this school on the pattern of St. Thomas and Joseph's Academy or likewise, right land. No. You just, if we are able to run these schools on the pattern of our government-run English medium schools like Kendriya Vidyalayas, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Rajiv Gandhi Navodaya Vidyalaya, then we are able to fulfill the need of the society. So what I would like to suggest all of you, please do try to visit any of the Kendriya Vidyalaya which is in your vicinity, in your city. Go there, understand what kind of system they are following, what kind of background of students they are attracting. I can share my experience with you. In Roorkee we have 4 to 3 kV. We have kV. So maximum students are from the Fauji kids. Fauji kids में भी they are the wards of Jawans. OAS जिसको बोलते हैं ना, other ranks हमारे यहाँ military में. And you will be surprised to know the father is posted on the border. He is not staying with the kids. Mother is illiterate sometimes, and maximum 10 pass lady from a village. क्योंकि गांव के लोग ही बहुत ज़्यादा ज्वाइन करते हैं, और आप समझ सकते हो कि उस टाइम पे गांव में भी ज़्यादा बच्चियों को पढ़ाई नहीं होती है. 10-12 पास लेडी हैं गांव की. हरियाणा मैक्सिमम गढ़वाल आप देखते हो ना, फौज में गांव की बैकग्राउंड के लोग जाते हैं, उन्हीं के बच्चे हैं वो केवी में. ठीक. एंड विद द काइंड ऑफ एनवायरमेंट दे आर गेटिंग 6th class if they join, they are like 4 students only. But with the effort of teachers, with the effort of change in the strategy, with the effort of you all, they gradually learn. Now, every time when the CBSE results are announced, you can see the toppers are from KVs, Jawahar Navodaya. And surprisingly, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, every year around 4 to 5 students are getting selected from CUNY only, including from the government primary schools, Hindi medium background. They are also going English medium now. And the teachers of the JLV, they are also from you only. KVs, they are from you only. आप लोगों ने भी ट्राई किया होगा जवाहर नवोदय का या केवी का एग्जाम टेस्ट किया होगा, किसी ने मैनेज किया है. I given the KV examination, it was sort of, I was not selected. Only 1,000 vacancies throughout the country, tough competition. You can understand, they are not different from you and me. The teachers of KV, the teachers of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, the teachers of even Rajiv Gandhi Navodaya Vidyalaya, they are from your own lot only. Reputation पे है ना हमारा सारा राजीव गांधी नवोदय सिस्टम इज ऑन reputation. Tomorrow, any of one of you can get this opportunity to go and teach in राजीव गांधी नवोदय, है ना. आपके काफी सारे कोलीग भी होंगे राजीव गांधी नवोदय में, हैं किसी के? हैं? वो थे ना हमारे जैसे हैं, हिंदी मीडियम के पढ़े हुए. So we have to have this faith in our mind once we have come to this profession of teaching. As it is the reverse, teaching and learning also. If we will not be able to learn, we will not be able to teach. That is my humble request to you all. Let us learn, and then whatever learning we have attained, let us transfer to our students. So, one step, one day. Make it a practice of interacting with your students in English. Make it a practice, please. Give them the simple instructions in English. Bring this book, open the chapter 1. We will do this today. Have you done your homework? Likewise. So, gradually they will also follow you. We are doing it in primary elementary system now. वहाँ पे हम बच्चों को थोड़ा कोशिश करते हैं, मैं go to toilet, मैं go to drink water, good morning sir, good morning ma'am. पहले वो गुरुजी मैडम सब बोलते थे, पर अभी now there is a pleasing change around in our primary system. Some of the teachers are excellent. They are bringing their students to that level. Your catchment area may be big. I don't say that you must be getting same quality of students in your class 6. I know the background of my teachers because I have worked with them for past 6 years. So I can understand which school must be sending what kind of quality student to your school or not. I have that picture in my mind. But the student which is entering this gate this year in class 6, he or she is going to remain with you for another 6 years. You have the ample opportunity and ample time to bring that students to your required standard, which the JNV and KV might be doing. This is my request. Don't take it any order. It's a personality improvement. हम सबके बच्चे इंग्लिश मीडियम में ही पढ़ रहे हैं. Is there anyone whose ward is studying in this school? No. है ना? सबके इंग्लिश मीडियम में we have the dream. अरे वहाँ भेजेंगे, उसमें भेजेंगे, उसमें भेजेंगे. Same thing. They also have this expectation in their mind. General public, like we do have expectation, they also have. We are able to afford that English medium education. That is why we are sending to them in private schools. If they are not able to afford, their only hope is we and you. We are the only hope left for them. This is the aim with which this initiative has been taken, and I know when some new thing we start, there are not many oppositions, there are not many, because we don't like the changes very much. We in your eating habits, अभी आपको चाय कड़क पत्ती की पसंद है, आपने घर पे हल्की बना दी तो you don't like, ठीक है ना? तो we have to cope up with this change. We have to ensure our parents, those who are pinning this on us, that your decision was not bad. We will give you what you expect from us. And I have the confidence in this team. You can just turn the things around. I'm very much sure. सभी लोग जम गए. No problem. Just a change in our thinking. Now give yourself a sense of pride that you are no more a GIC. You are someone cut above, far from the rest. I know you will be having so many concerns in your mind. Extra तो कुछ मिलेगा नहीं, ट्रांसफर पता नहीं कब होगा. Leave those concerns outside this gate. Once you have joined the job with your willingness, है ना? फॉर्म फिलअप करते हैं नौकरी के लिए. मैं फौज में रहा हूँ. फौजी आदमी से पूछा नहीं, उसको नहीं पता कल को वो सिलेक्शन जाएगा या कहाँ जाएगा, कौन सी पुलिस में मर जाएगा, डेड बॉडी मिलेगी या नहीं मिलेगी. This situation is not bad enough for you. Fortunately, you need such a place you can enjoy your family life after the school hours. So please have this confidence in mind, and when I next time visit your school, I find a change. Yes, I am entering in some KV, Jawahar Navodaya, Rajiv Gandhi Navodaya. So, was the only purpose of this meeting. I would welcome anyone of you can share your private school experience. बताइए आप बताइए आप.
प्राइवेट स्कूल में CBSE बोर्ड में 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है और उसमें BTech में किया है मैंने 6 साल का. मॉनिटरिंग कॉलेज है वहाँ पर भगवान जो हाईवे निकला है तो CBSE का है 2 साल का, वो वहाँ पर है सेफ बाहर निकल उनकी पब्लिक स्कूल के ठीक सामने है. स्कॉलर साइड
बढ़िया स्कूल. मैं देखो वही कहना चाहूँगा कि चला सकते हैं हम इस सिस्टम को, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
तो जितने इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल है ना रोड के रीजन में, 1-2 को छोड़ दो, बाकी सब है ना सब्जेक्ट जो पढ़ाते हैं तो इंग्लिश में पढ़ाते हैं. जो फॉर्मल यूज करते हैं ना वो ऐसे ही समझाते हैं टाइम की हिंदी मिक्स करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि बिल्कुल थ्रू आउट इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, ऐसा कहीं भी नहीं है किसी स्कूल में हमारे.
नहीं, मैं कुछ शेयर करता हूँ लोग,
मतलब मिक्स ही यूज करते हैं.
जी
स्कूल जो है स्कूल में आता है और ICSE बोर्ड आजकल ऑनलाइन चलने के लिए हमें दिखा सकते हैं. इतने टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट हैं जो डर हिंदी में करना है. तो
सर ये हो जाएगा यार,
हमें आज पता लगा हम 10 साल से बच्चे को
हो जाएगा. 15 मिनट हो गया.
तो वो अंग्रेजी सीख रहा है, वो क्लासरूम में नहीं सीखा है. वो अंग्रेजी सीख रहा है क्लासरूम के बाहर. जब स्टूडेंट्स हेलो थैंक यू इस स्काई जो बोलते हैं वहाँ से वो अंग्रेजी कन्वर्सेशन सीखा. जहाँ तक अंडरस्टैंडिंग की बात है तो टीचर और स्टूडेंट, हमारा जो स्टूडेंट एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है कि हमें अंग्रेजी में पढ़ाया जाए, वो घर में कैसे बात करता है। यानी मेरा कहने का अभी भी मतलब ये है कि टीचर और स्टूडेंट दोनों को थोड़ा सा टीचर को पढ़ना पड़ेगा, स्टूडेंट को भी थोड़ा सा ये एक्सपेक्ट करना पड़ेगा कि मैं कैसे कोऑर्डिनेट करूँगी। अल्टीमेट हमारा पर्पज ये होना चाहिए कि हमारी नॉलेज का ट्रांसफर हो।
See, we have to chart out a strategy, depend upon the kind of students sitting in front of us.
अबे यार this
I share with you my own experience. I used to teach social studies in Army Public School, Roorkee, for 2.5 years I taught there. I had lot many students who used to come to me after my period. सर ये समझ नहीं है, क्योंकि कुछ आदमी के बच्चे होते हैं, हो सकता है उसका क्वार्टर जब मिला हो, जब उसका बच्चा वो 6th में आ गया, जब तक वो 5th तक गाँव में रहे, उनके लिए तो प्रेफरेंस और एडमिशन मिलता है। अगर कोई बात नहीं बेटा, आप मैं हिंदी में भी मैं आपको बताता हूँ, सोशल स्टडीज़ है अपने आप तो अभी तो इंग्लिश मीडियम की किताब आई नहीं होगी आगे सोशल स्टडीज़ हाँ
सर जो ठीक है घर में तो जो है जैसे कॉमर्स का बच्चा हो, स्टॉम का बच्चा हो, नहीं घर में तो सब हिंदी बोलेंगे। हमारा ये है कि इंग्लिश की जो है क्लास में तो इंग्लिश के जो किताब है सब अच्छा पढ़ाई है, हमने लाभ या तो इंग्लिश मीडियम की उसी क्लास की ज्योग्राफी। अब टीचर किस पे पढ़ाएगा, अगर इस पे पढ़ाएगा वो तो कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा ना इसमें।
क्लास
तो नाइन्थ का जो ज्योग्राफी हिंदी वाली
मैं कह रहा हूँ
कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा ना।
हमारा 2023 में पहला बैच निकलने की बात है CBSE से। नाउ मुझे भी नहीं पता इफ CBSE इज पब्लिशिंग क्वेश्चन पेपर्स इन बाइलिंगुअल। आप लोग जानते होंगे बाइलिंगुअल। If the question papers are in bilingual, then the students must be given this liberty to write their answers in हाँ
ऐसा है कि पेपर जब लड़का फॉर्म भरेगा हाई स्कूल में वो भाषा चॉइस करेगा
उसको किस मीडियम में क्लियर करना है।
इंग्लिश मीडियम में। ये क्वेश्चन भी हम लोग राइज किए थे। रणवीर सिंह ने कहा कि हम कहेंगे सेंट्रल की तो कॉपी चेंज होती है स्टेट की, उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं हम इनको हो सकता है पश्चिम बंगाल जाए, सिक्किम जाए, उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं अब रीजन वाइज कॉपी जाए।
क्लस्टर होता है सर, CBSE में क्लस्टर वाइज चलता है।
दोनों ऑप्शन होता है, हिंदी भी होता है, इंग्लिश भी होता है। और एक
हो गया सर, चलो फिर
जो अटल